Good morning children. Today we are going to learn about the number systems. So already we know that how many types of number systems. There are two types of number systems, Indian number system and international number system. So in our country we are using Indian system. In other states we are using international number system. So first one we have to learn about the Indian system of numeration. Indian system of numeration, that is the Indian system of Indian number system. So what is the Indian number system? In the Indian number system there are some place values. So already we know that. So what are the place values in the Indian system? So ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. So these place values are Indian system. So this is called Indian system place values. So what are the place values? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. So why we use these place values? When we counting any money or any purchasing, we use these place values. సో ఎప్పుడైనా సపోజ్ షాప్కి వెళ్ళినప్పుడు లేదా మనీ పర్చేస్ చేసినప్పుడు బ్యాంక్స్లో డిపాజిట్ చేసినప్పుడు సో మనం ఎక్కువ అమౌంట్ డిపాజిట్ చేస్తాం లేదా ఎక్కువ అమౌంట్ని విత్డ్రా చేస్తాం. సో అలాంటప్పుడు మనం దీస్ ప్లేస్ వాల్యూస్ ఆర్ వీ కెన్ యూస్ ఇన్ ఇండియన్ సిస్టమ్. సో వన్స్, టెన్స్, హండ్రెడ్స్, థౌజండ్స్, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. So these are the place values in Indian systems. How can use these place values when we read the number? So here I write some number here 356485. So in this number first we put commas. Why we put commas? We put commas to read the number easy. Commas are used to read the number easy. Number ni easy ga read cheyadaniki manam commas ni use chestam. So here, so how to write the numbers? How to write the number names? How to write the number names means first we write the place values ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakhs. Here 1000 period will start, so we put comma here, and lakhs period will start here, so we put comma lakhs place. So here 1000 period we put comma and lakhs period we put comma. See here when we observe ones, tens, hundreds, after we put comma. So this is called 1000 period. This is called 1000 period. And lakh, sorry, 10,000, 10,000, and this is the lakhs. So here we start the lakhs place. So this is called lakhs period. How can we read this number means? So this is lakhs period. So we can call this number 3 lakhs. And this is 1000 period. How many numbers are there in the 1000 period? 566 is a 2-digit number, 56. So this is 56,000, and here hundreds place. What is the hundreds place number here? 4. So 485. So what is the number name here? 3,56,485. So this way we can write the number name easily. First we write the place values. Then next we put commas, next we write the number name. So what is the expanded form? So what is expanded form means we expand the place values. We expand the place values. Here see, so what is the lakhs place number here? 3. What is the lakhs place number here? 3. So 3 into 1 lakh. And what is the 10,000s place number here? 5. So plus 5 into 10,000. What is the next place value? 1000. So 6 into 1000. What is the next place? 100 place. So 4 into 100. And what is the next number? Tens place number here. 8 into 10. And what is the ones place number? 5 into 1. So this is the expanded form of the given number. So we expand the place values. Expand means expand the place values. Place values mano expand chesi rayadame expanded form. So this is the number name word form, and this is the expanded form. 3 lakhs, 50,000, 6,480 plus 5. So what is the place value of 5 here? Ones place. What is the place value of 8 here? Tens place. What is the place value of 6 here? Thousands place. That we can identify the place values easily. So next example, when we observe this example, see here ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. The remaining numbers also are there. 10 crores, 100 crores, 1000 crores. This is 100 crores, this is 1000 crores. So in our 5th class we learn up to crores value. Manam crores varke nerchukunnam. But in the crores period there are so many numbers. When we observe here, see, in the thousands place there are 2 numbers. In the lakhs place also there are 2 numbers. But in the crores place, when we observe the crores place, here there are 4 numbers. How can we write the number name? See here crores place there are 4 numbers. So what is the 4 digit here? 9275. 9275. Crores place lo enni numbers unnai manaki? 4 numbers unnai. So how can we read this 4 digit number? 9275. So 9275 crores. 9275 crores. అంతేగాని అమ్మో క్రోర్స్లో ఒక నెంబరే ఉండాలి 4 నెంబర్స్ ఉన్నాయని మనం అనకూడదు. సో హౌ కెన్ వీ రీడ్ ద నెంబర్ హియర్ 9275. సో వన్ మోర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, సపోజ్ దే గివెన్ 3 numbers, we can start 100. They given 10 2 digit number, we can start 75 crores. Like that we can read the number 9275 crores 67 lakhs 75,613. So this is the big number, large numbers. We can call these are all large numbers. So how can we write the number names in Indian system? By using place values up to crores. So first we put the commas, next we identify the place values, next you write the periods. Periods means which period? This is 1000 period. This is lakhs period. 1000 period there are 2 numbers, and lakhs period there are 2 digits, not 2 numbers, 2 digits. And the crores place there are more than 2 numbers. Here see 4 numbers. So we can this 4 digit number 9275. So we can write the number name 9275 crores and 67 lakhs 75,613. So like this we can write the number names. So how can, suppose they given 7560943214. First we put commas here, write place values ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores, 100 crores. So this is the crores period, and this is lakhs period, and this is thousands period, and the remaining first basic place values. So at thousands place we put comma, at lakhs place we put comma, at crores place you put comma. So how to read this number? See, 756 crores. 756 crores, 9 lakhs. How many lakhs are there here? 9 lakhs. How many thousands are there here? 43,214. So here crores, we start 756 crores. So like that we have to solve the number names. The next one is, so children, are you understand how to write the expanded forms and how to write the number names? So first you put commas, next you put the place values, then you write the number names. So in this way they given the number name, you can easily write the figure also. First you put place values, then you put the numbers. In the last classes already we explained. So how to form the numbers? Greatest number. How to form the greatest number? By using these digits. Okay children, the next class we can discuss this one, and your assignment is page number 7. Your textbook page number 7, assignment is page number 7, exercise 1.2. So these 1.2 have the 3 Romans, up to 3 Romans. You can solve number names and expanded forms and figures also. First you put commas, next you write the number names, and the 4th one I will explain in the next class. Okay. So exercise 1.2, your homework, page number 7, exercise 1.2, first and second and third Roman.